My name is Gail Pine, and I'm an ACDBE partner at Rocky Mountain. When I look through the glass at Rocky Mountain and what they have to offer, there's so much.
It has a lot of visual appeal, lots of bright colors, lots of deliciousness.
I like the way they do the caramel apples, and you can see them actually making the apples.
They're hand dipping the apples, putting them on display.
You'll see apples with nuts, you'll see apples with M&Ms, just a variety of things, and the chocolates are to die for.
That's the thing. If you're a chocolate lover like I am, you can get everything there.
You have your peanut clusters. Those things are massive.
They have box chocolates and things that you can buy to take on your trip.
They will package it. You can take some back, gift it.
If you just want to buy like one chocolate for the road, you might do that as well.
There are sugar-free options there also.
Very hard to resist if you're hungry.
It'll satisfy that little craving that you have at the moment.
I certainly recommend that you stop by Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory and get yourself a little treat while you're traveling one day.